These last few lab exercises are going to be a little different. I'm not going to be walking you through anything. I'm going to be showing you a general idea and then turning you loose on it. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to set up two microphones. I'll have mics available for you probably over here on the shelf. We'll have two mics, two stands, two cables. And if you can find a guitar player to do this with, that would be more fun for you probably. If not, if you don't play guitar, you'll just have to kind of pretend. You can still line check it and make sure it's working. The idea with this lesson, with this exercise, is that we're going to simulate a singer-songwriter. A lot of musicians want to sing the song and play it on their guitar at the same time. So we're going to set up two mics, one on the guitar and one for the voice. And so this would be your typical singer-songwriter setup. Obviously, if it's a live show, they would be doing this, but a lot of folks will need to record this way too. So I want you to go ahead and record someone singing and playing the guitar, even if all you are doing is singing and strumming the open strings to simulate it. You'll have this in channel 1, this in channel 2, you'll arm both your tracks in Logic and just roll. Then go back and listen and solo the tracks and see how much crosstalk, how much bleed is getting in. And you can even try to reposition the mics again and go for it again. But just be aware that even though you might technically want perfection, which is nothing but guitar sound in this mic, nothing but vocal sound in this mic, it's probably not going to be achievable in this particular arrangement. However, your performer may very well need this arrangement. So you'll have to use this setup and just do your best. Just try it out, listen, of course do all the things that we're used to doing with line checking and gain staging and mic positioning. Do your best to make improvements, and then just kind of pay attention to how much bleed there is. And keep in mind that if you were going to add reverb to the vocal and there's a lot of guitar coming through the vocal mic, you'll be adding some reverb to the guitar inadvertently, and vice versa. If there's a lot of vocal coming through this mic and with the guitar, you might want to boost the highs to make the guitar brighter, and yet you're going to be boosting the highs on the vocal a little bit now because of the bleed coming between these two sources, my voice and the guitar. So that's all the instruction I'm going to give you for this. Otherwise, you're on your own to practice all those habits that you've learned this semester and continue kind of exploring these new situations that are definitely going to arise if you are doing recording on a regular basis. Good luck.